ngifuna ukulungisa leli phutha ke. Nazi ingoma etrendayo ku YouTube. Ingoma etrendayo according to i-numbers zayo from 1 2 3 4 5. Ingoma etrendayo ku YouTube nazi. Number 1 u2.1 Music u928,000 viewers in 6 days. Kusho ukuthi uhlanganise more than 900,000 viewers in 6 days ago. Within 6 days yena ukwazile ukuhlanganisa le number lezi ezo 928,000 viewers. So this is why le ngoma le number 1. Bese siba no number 2. Number 2 na Mr Pilato ona 1 million viewers in 9 days. Kusho ukuthi ihlanganise 1 million viewers in 9 days ago. This is why number 2. Hayi number 1 ngoba ihlanganise le number in 9 days ago. Then kwase qhamuka enye in 6 days yashaya le number lezi. This is why le number 2 nake. Bese siba ke noKhuzani. uKhuzani uhlanganise 1 million viewers in 1.5 day. So the question is, yini angayena number 1? If ekwazile ukubreaka irecord le Mr Pilato lalo mjida lo number 2 na no number 1, cause lo number 2 ushaye 1 million viewers in 9 days. This is why ibizwa nge-trending song. And then u2.1 Music feature number 1 uhlanganise 928 million viewers in 6 days. Yini uKhuzani ngabe number 1 if lezi number eziqiniso? Lana ku YouTube ngakusho bafethu, and futhi ngihlezi ngikusho ukuthi kusebenza inumber eze-original. Ukuthi uthengile ama-views akusho ukuthi kuzoshintsha inumber kwi-system yaku YouTube. uKhuzani ama-original numbers wakhe waku YouTube close to 600,000 viewers manje. This is why ke ebala number 3, because ngokomthetho if kuthiwa lama number akazange wathenge ngabe number 1 because ubreak i-record phela elika number 1 no number 2. So yena kufanele ngabe number 1 if kuthiwa akawathenganga. But ngenxa yokuthi uma uthenga awuyishintshi i-system, awashintshi ama-numbers awe-original kusebenza wona. For lama numbers lawa kusuke kuxhopha thina, uxhopha nje abantu abazongena. But ku YouTube kusebenza ama-original numbers. Kuthi number 3, number 4 uSminoff una 630k viewers in 9 days. 9 days cabanga. So ngokomthetho uKhuzani una close to 600,000 viewers manje in 1.5 day ngoko YouTube. So this is why number 3. Khuzani musukuthenga ama-viewers uzoyihlekanisa nabaculi, angeke bakuthathe serious kwanawe uzobangela isicwaco. Bazokuhleka abaculi. Uzogcina ngokuyibongela wena neqembu lakho mhlawumbe lizama ukuyiduduza. But awukwazi ukusebenza kanje mfowethu. Umosha into emnandi like asisakwazi nokuenjoya kahle, simamele nomculo kahle because wena ufake izinto, ufuna ukuphila impilo eyi-fake, like uyafake yonke into yakho. Then the next thing uzofika lana uzoyibongela. Musa ukuthenga ama-viewers. Because nje khale wena mobona boSminoff khula ama-viewers wabo mhlawumbe ngendlela wena ongayi-understand. Musa ukuthenga ama-viewers. Kuzobona ukuthi wathengela ama-views. Your account was frozen from ngabo 4 5 6 7 because uviolate ama-rules we-media, uviolate ama-rules waku-YouTube. You are allowed ukuthi uthenge ama-views, but uma uthenge kahle abakufreeze ngalezo sikhathi lezo. Wena uwathenge kakhulu bayifreeza i-account yakho. This is why angazange akhule ama-subscription wakho, awakhulanga ama-views bewame endaweni yodwa because i-account yakho beyifreezile. Wonke ama-media uma uviolate ama-rules bayakufreeza for 4 hours 3 hours. Uma uqhubeka futhi bayayikhuphula i-timing labazokufreeza ngayo. Uma uqhubeka futhi bazogcina bayivala i-account yakho. This is why your account was frozen. Hayi ukuthi uYouTube kade uverify ama-numbers. There is no way ukuthi uYouTube can verify ama-numbers. Ayikho yonke le nto leyo. Wena your account was frozen because uviolate ama-rules waku-YouTube ngokuthenga ama-views kaningi kakhulu. Then i-system needs to breathe. Egcineni izogcina ivalwa le account yakho. Futhi if uqhubeka uwathenga manje uzothi okutshelanga zama futhi ukwathenga njengamanje izoblockwa for isikhathi eside mhlawumbe for 6 hours or for 10 hours or 12 hours or usuku lonke for 24 hours bese ubuya ngakusasa. Angeke azakhula ama-viewers. Thina sizokwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe singene siyidlale ingoma but angeke azashintsha ama-numbers of which ilento beyenzakala-ke kuwena from 4 5 6 7 because boviolate ama-rules. Musa ukuthenga ama-viewers Khuzani, uzohlekwa abaculi, uzohlekwa abantu, angeke bakuthathe serious. Uzosijabulisa wena futhi ubuwazi ukuthi ayikho lento oyijabulelayo.